want the human in there.
You don't want what?
The human. Mom, when we're waiting for our car out, when the car is outside, then could we go in the thingy?
Should have done it before and after. Huh?
Yeah. Why isn't that on mine?
Taking the whole thing? Yeah, long video.
Yeah, I take long videos. Mom, do it on yours. It feels good. Mom, do this. What?
I'm taking this.
Where are we moving?
Baby Madison's car. Right? We got dive bombed by birds. I think we were target practice.
Don't you think it feels good for them? Now I can't see again.
That is a big line behind us, guys.
Are you surprised we just got it?
There's 2 or 3 people behind us.
I think there's 3. Feels good on my arm. Oh, there's a Bentley on that. Look.
Yeah.
I'm surprised we seen we've seen the Aston Martin on the road.